Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to find your PayPal account number. Watch the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Start off by tapping open your PayPal application from your mobile device, or you can also do this on a web browser. Once you open up PayPal, tap on the profile icon located at the upper left-hand corner. You'll be able to see your username and your email address displayed right beneath it. If you want to find your account number, then unlike other applications, PayPal does not give you an individual number. It uses linking by email address identification. When creating a PayPal account, the email address that you used is your PayPal ID. Your email address is used to confirm your account, receive mailings, and restore access. Therefore, if you need to give someone or find someone's PayPal account number, just enter their email address, which means your email address acts as your PayPal account's number. That is how you can easily find your account number on PayPal. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.